Yeah, hiya. So my name's Alex, and I'm here at the Samuel Leeds Academy dinner. So the Samuel Leeds Academy dinner is where all Academy members from across the country, some even across the globe, they come together. They come to Heathrow, Terminal 5, and we basically network, meet friends, and we put business ideas together and catch up, things like that. So me personally, from a very young age, I always wanted to be successful anyways. I'm currently in the military at the moment, and Samuel Leeds, genuinely, I put full faith in him. I didn't go to no crash course, no nothing, and it's the best thing that I've done. Like, genuinely, it's like the best thing that I've done, because, I believe that property is the best sort of way to get somewhere. Just get started. I mean, get knowledge first, as much as you can. Talk to as many people as possible. Be a people's person. Be nice. Be kind, and you'll go a long way. And you'll meet loads of people along the way, and you'll meet some amazing people. Personally, I'd say join the Samuel Leeds Academy, because that's the best way to be. Because if you're here, you'll get everything you ever need for property anywhere.